So in my last video, I shared a video on how you can actually link your NIN to your SIM, because a lot of numbers are being blocked at the moment because of their inability to link their NIN to their SIM. So this is Okori Janet speaking, as you all know, and I'm so glad that you're here to watch my video. In today's video, we'll be taking a different dynamics, and please, I have wonderful videos in my video section. I would like for you to check out those videos for yourself. In today's video, we'll be looking at something very important. I'll be sharing with you platforms where you can actually make money online by just typing, by just transcribing. So if you are the kind of person who can listen and type, then this video is for you. What is transcription? Transcription is the process of converting spoken language into written text. That is, all you need to do is listen and type, and you get paid for this. In the first year of the year, I told you you are yet to make money online. The platforms I will be sharing with you, they offer transcription services, and they are currently employing. All you need to do is submit your audio or your video files, and transcribers like you, upcoming transcribers like you, listen to the content, transcribe, and get paid. Now, this service is very common, and it is used for several purposes. At the end of this video, I'll also be sharing with you a particular platform you can also test your typing speed on, and I'll also be sharing a platform you can actually, just put in your content, and then the thing transcribes it for you. All you need to do is edit, re-edit, and then you're good to go. So stick with me till the end of this video, and like I said before, now do not forget to hit the subscribe button. I have amazing videos that you need to check out, so let's get right into it. So the first platform we're looking at is scribe.com. This is the platform. This is what it looks like. We have joined Scribe as a transcriber. Sign up as a transcriber. You have to have a verified PayPal account, and you have to take a transcription test. Let's click on get started to see what's in store for us. Freelance transcription, work at your convenience, earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. We provide automated transcripts to save you around 60% of the typing effort. For those that don't know what transcription is, you just have to, what to do here, you just have to listen to a particular audio. The skills that is required, the first skill that you need to be on this platform is to be able to listen. You should have a good listening ability and a good comprehension of English language. And then you apply the context, identify the mistakes, and correct the automated transcript. Now, I have done this, and that's given me money. You can do this too and make money for yourself, all right? This is no scam. All you need to do is apply and get started, and then you get paid. You get paid into your verified PayPal account. I'm going to be showing you a preview on how you can create a PayPal account if time permits, but if not, it's going to come as a new video entirely some other time. So for you not to miss out, please click on the subscription button so you don't get to miss out on exciting updates. You can earn as high as $800 per month, and for you to do this, you should have good English comprehension, ability to interpret conversation, ability to apply context and identify mistakes. At the beginner level, you just earn $800 per month. You should have a verified PayPal account, a laptop, desktop computer, and internet connection, headphone, headset. For the intermediate level, you earn I think about 1,600. Beginner, you earn $400 per month here. $400 per month. Intermediate level, you earn $800 per month. Advanced, you earn $1,600 per month. They all have the same skill, so all you need to do is just sign up, and you can work at the comfort of your home, just on your bed, and then transcribe and make money from this. 2024, there is no excuse for you not to make money. So let's move to the second website. So another platform we're looking at is the 50 freelance platform. Here says it's flexible, you choose your job, and the rest of that. Transcriptionist, listen to audio and video, accurately type what he said, and you get paid for doing that. Let's start the process and see what it has. So So as an independent contractor, you choose the days per week and hours of the day you work from any country in the world. We provide an online scheduling tool which makes it easy to share your availability and for us to offer assignment to you. We are excited for your interest in becoming an independent contractor with our team. How much can you earn? Earning depends on many factors. This include how many hours you transcribe per week, your personal productivity, and the type of files that you choose to transcribe. A typical freelancer who works casually earns under $100 per week, and a serious freelancer over $300 per week. How much do I need to freelance? You create your own schedule and determine how much or how little you like to freelance. You can also take breaks as often as you like. How often do I get paid and how? Freelancers are paid through PayPal and Pioneer on the 15th and last day of the month. So you just click on next and continue applying. But for now, we'll stop here. Like I said before, at the end of the video, if I have the time, I'm going to show you how you can create a PayPal account so you don't have an excuse not to make money online this year. So the second web platform is called the Go Transcript. All you do is go to your Chrome browser and type in gotranscript.com, and you can see 100% human generated surveys, blah 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 blah. But here we're here to transcribe, so we just have to scroll down and keep scrolling and keep scrolling and keep scrolling. And this platform has been there since 2005 and has been used and trusted by 144,000 satisfied clients. So to join as a subscriber, you just need to do is click here, join us as a subscriber. Let's wait for it to load. So my phone is on desktop mode, so you can be able to see everything clearly since I'm not using a system to do a laptop to do this. Now, transcription job available worldwide. You can watch how to join if you are probably still confused. We pay competitive rate for our online transcription job. It's a thriving web-based transcription and translation company. Like I said before, you are able to transcribe, subtitle, and also translate and get paid. Per order, you can earn up to $0.60. You can earn an average of $150 and $1,215. Please note, buying and selling a GoScript account is illegal. So for you to be able to how do I put it now? You have to you be verified using an SMS. You have to face photo during registration. I think this is actually very important to make sure you're not scam. You have a real-time photo with verification code written on paper. On PayPal, so you can do transcription job from your home. You can get paid reliably. It's very much flexible. You can choose your own projects, all right, to grow your skills, stay busy, and that is that for that. Job languages, we have Arabic, Russian, Danish, Indian, and blah 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 blah. We have frequently asked questions. So if perhaps you can come down to read all of this frequently asked question. What are your payment mode? What is the payment rate? When will I be paid? How much do I have to work? Can you have multiple accounts? You can go there. You can probably what if you fail your test? Can you take the test again? Of course, you can actually reapply. When you apply and you get accepted, you can then get on ahead. So that is that for that. Just apply on this platform and get accepted. Of them all come as a beginner. You can make your first $100 from this website. So if you want to upload your audio files and the rest of that, you can place your order. But that's not what we're here for. I want to show you how you can join as a freelancer and make money. So we have joined our community of 70,000 plus freelancers and get paid to caption, transcribe, or subtitle content. You can work from anywhere and choose the job that interests you. We believe everyone deserves an opportunity to support themselves, even if their schedule doesn't allow for a 9 to 5 routine. to just click on, they just click on become a freelancer. So that is that for that. So like I promised at the beginning of this video, this is an AI website. You can see it. Go to your Google browser and type your Chrome browser otter.ai. This particular platform is an AI platform that helps you, transcribe the particular document you want to transcribe. And to test your typing speed, you can actually use this website, type in test.com, test your typing speed and see how fast you are if you want to go the manual. So thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of this video. I really, really appreciate your time. Please be on the road to 300 subscribers. And like I always say, we cannot do it without you. I have exciting videos, amazing videos in my video section. I have videos around money, videos around wealth entirely. If this is something you like, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on exciting updates, exciting insights, exciting information that will be helpful to you. So thank you so much for staying with me. Bye.